Hi, this is Sherry Veronica, and there was a sizable earthquake in Jamaica. Was enough to get people out of the buildings, enough to get people sending videos. It was enough to get people writing about it. Where we're seeing now, people have gathered inside Emancipation Park following a powerful 5.6 magnitude earthquake. Okay, so this is one part of it in Jamaica. And then I have another one here that I got on WhatsApp. Yeah. You can see what has happened there in the supermarkets. Nothing that can't be cleaned up, no loss of lives, not that I've heard of. Okay, so this is what's happening in Jamaica. This is Sherry Veronica.
Help me spread the word about Naked Departure via social media. Subscribe and share to show support and love for our channels.